Hey everybody, so this is my 4th day at home following surgery. It's still going well. I'm on minimal pain relief. I'm only taking Neuramol and Anodine extras most of the day, every 4 hours. I then go up to some Zapain just before bed, and that seems to keep me happy enough to sleep, so I'll take that. I wake up a lot in the night, have some really lucid dreams. I think some of that's the operation, some of that's the side effects of the anaesthetic, but that's okay. So yesterday I was able to walk around for about 30 minutes in about 10-minute segments, which was really good. And did the stairs 3 or 4 times during the day. Was also able to sit up and have dinner for the second night running. The first night I couldn't sit comfortably to eat dinner. And was actually able to get myself comfortable in a chair to watch an hour of television with James. We were watching a mini-series, so small gains each day. I am able to straighten my left leg in a way that I couldn't before, and it's gradually getting stronger as well. Bed transfers, I'm finding I can lift my leg a whole lot easier now than I could when I first came out of surgery. It just felt like a dead weight. Now it's starting to respond. I'm doing the exercises that the physio gave me 2 or 3 times a day. And aside from the more advanced exercises, I ankle pump every hour just to keep my feet circulating, glute squeeze every hour. And yeah, it's all going good really. This morning I've gotten myself up. I can't shower because I can't let the dressing get wet. So I've got this pack of huge wipes that you can use when you go camping and stuff, and I've had a wipe down with those. It's pretty skanky compared to a shower, but it's better than nothing. Yesterday James devised a dining chair tipped backwards in the shower cubicle so I could actually wash my hair, so that felt a whole lot better. Now I've just got to try and find a way of getting my toenails done because I can't flex to do my toenails. I'm not sure whether I'm going to ask James to do that. I really don't want to ask him, but he's happy to do it, or just to go and have a pedicure, and if I can wait for a pedicure, I'm not sure. Today is Father's Day, so I had surgery Wednesday, came out Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so my 4th day at home post-surgery. We have the whole family around today. Originally, we were going to go for lunch somewhere halfway between Colchester and London, and that was all booked, but then my surgery date came up, so that had to be put on hold. So rather than going to a restaurant, everybody's coming here. James is just going to whack some pizzas in the oven. The intention is to celebrate Father's Day for James, my dad, Ray, brain's not working very fast at the moment. Anyway, Suzanne Andrews. So some of the dads in the family anyway, initially. And also because Amber's birthday is imminent at the end of June, and she's going away for her birthday to celebrate Amber's birthday as well. So we've got Father's Day presents and birthday presents downstairs ready for today. I'm not sure how long I'll be able to stay up. I'm thinking about maybe doing a couple of hour stints downstairs with everybody. But I have said to everyone, if I just feel rubbish and I need to come upstairs, just to let me come upstairs and not to be too worried about that, because it's a lot to do. I'm hoping that James can cope okay, but lots of pairs of hands and lots of people willing to help, so that should be good. So yeah, here we are on Sunday after my surgery, and feeling pretty good. Still pretty tired. Just clean myself up, doing my ablutions, teeth, get myself dressed. I actually managed to put a pair of knickers on this morning, woohoo, with a grab stick of course, but still did it myself, and that was good. Yeah, and then picking something to wear felt good as well. So yeah, baby steps, but all in the right direction. Thank you for watching.